Sri Lanka is a country with a population of over 21 million, comprising of 73% Sinhalese, 18% Tamils, 7% Muslim, and the remaining 2% Burgher and others. In Sri Lanka, as with anywhere in the world, gender-based violence is an issue that cuts across ethnicity, religion, income, education level, and geographic location. In order to trigger broader changes and action, it is important for societal acknowledgement and recognition of gender-based violence. Public campaigns using progressive mediums of communication technology, arts, web, and social media is one such way of doing so. It is also one approach through which men, who often play a dominant role in innovative and creative fields, can be active implementers as well as target audiences. Sri Lanka Development Journalist Forum, SDJF, was engaged to produce radio programs on gender-based violence issues faced by Muslim women, targeting the predominantly Tamil-speaking community.
இத்தகைய பிரச்சனைகளை தீர்ப்பதற்காக நாம் பல நடவடிக்கைகளை மேற்கொண்டோம். ஒன்று, ஊடகத்தினை பயன்படுத்தி இந்த பிரச்சனைகளை எவ்வாறு
We took several steps to address issues affecting Muslim women. One step was to look into ways and means of using media, and we produced radio dramas to bring these issues to the attention of society. We directly went to the field, spoke to women, and recorded the problems that they face. We then categorized these cases under several topics and organized discussion forums in various locations for people to further share and discuss their experiences and issues. These were then recorded and produced as radio programs and shared with the general public.
The program got over 20,000 responses, including text messages and calls.
Following the airing of the radio programs, we received a lot of feedback through telephone calls and text messages. People also sent letters. The responses were both positive and negative.
The print media was also used extensively to present evidence-backed opinions and to engage the public in dialogue around crucial issues such as polygamy and problems women face under the Muslim personal law and Qazi court system in Sri Lanka.
We also tried to bring out these issues to the public through the use of print media. We continuously wrote paper articles about the problems faced by Muslim women, particularly in legal aspects. We got both positive and negative feedback for the articles.
We got various views, ideas and perceptions from people of all walks of life. We received a lot of positive responses, particularly from the female audience.
While timely interventions are necessary when working with particular religious communities, it is important to understand the sensitivities and challenges involved.
Initially, print media organizations showed reluctance to publish these articles, but we tried to personally engage with them. Some of them published one article but discontinued the rest. Some did not wish to have any association or contact with us. However, we talked to the journalists about these issues and persuaded them, and as a result, we continued to publish these issues. Several people came out stating that these were issues that were not to be spoken of or highlighted before.
A total of 15 paper articles were published and have paved the way for different perspectives to be discussed among the community.
We faced oppositions from Muslim political circles and religious leaders. Although at the same time, we continued to receive support from within the same circles. I think the Muslim community is of the mindset where it believes in suppressing women through the patriarchal ideology. This attitude has prevailed for a long time through history. We cannot change that attitude and perception immediately. It takes time.
This unique initiative took into account that men sensitized to and working on the issues affecting Muslim women in Sri Lanka held comparative advantages in terms of access to male religious leaders, being vocal about gender-based violence issues from men's perspective, and in taking strategic risks while implementing initiatives.
But it has now come to a situation where people have realized that these issues should be spoken about. In the meantime, we have begun to speak to lawyers and legislators to see how we could take this initiative to the next level.